What's up, you guys? So I'm actually recording this like intro clip after the trip. Whatever, it's fine. I got really burnt, as you see how red my face is. That's not even the worst part. The worst part is like my arms. I have blisters. I'm in just pure agony. Anyway, this trip was pretty lit, and by the way, the production value, I tried to make it the most excellent production value, because with the drone makes it, the drone makes it 200 times better than if I were to not have a drone. But anyway, let's get into the video. Cue the intro. Alright, so this is the campsite. Surprisingly smaller than I thought. But it'll work. There's another one right here.
Oh, look at our view though, man.
Sure is decent. See some water. I wish there were less trees in the way though.
We had no lake view the last time.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Walk
right.
down and see how, can you go down right there?
Yeah, looks like it. There's even a little like dirt path that goes down. Where is he parking?
He's gonna come up here.
Are you sure? Oh, he's gonna back up. That makes more sense now. Yeah, right. So far, I have only one problem with this place. Well, two problems. One, all the campsites are super close together. Like, there is no personal space out here. Like, complete strangers. And they're right there. Also, another thing, this camera will stop falling. Jesus, stop falling! Okay. Now, everyone's really close together, but also, no one's quiet. No one cares about anyone else's serenity around here. Everyone's just blasting their La Cucaracha music while freaking making food. I don't know. But we're here, and we got the drone with us, so it's gonna be pretty cool. Give me that. It's saying no GPS, which is worrying. Get it up. Get it. So my brother just got here, and I just shot that sick video on the drone I used for the intro. Man, everything here really is just beautiful. Like with that drone, when it was just going up and forward, and it was just the sunset glaring on all the trees, it was amazing. But we got the campsite finished. Floaties. People, kitchen, master tent, my brother's car, brother's tent, my tent's behind it. It is a pretty diverse campsite, to say the least. We got cornhole going on. Your keys? I don't know. They're in your tent still, I guess.
Really?
Yeah.
What? When we light the fire. Back of my truck's all the wood.
We got the griddle. Oh, heck yeah. Those look so good.
Oh my god. The breakfast in the morning when we have sausages and scrambled eggs. And croissants on here all warm and bacon.
Yeah.
The griddle really is perfect.
It really is amazing.
You can do so many things at once. It's like a Benihana table.
Gonna do this instead. Cowboy,
Okay, cowboy.
We got croissants, more supplies, kettle corn, a map of the campground, just random stuff, radio, heavy duty plastic cutlery. Everything we possibly need is in here. S'mores materials. Got the buns for the polar sausage sandwiches. All the drinks are in here. Only one Dr. Pepper left. I'm gonna steal that before anyone else does. And, oh wait, no, never mind. There's plenty of them in here as well. So, there's the campground. We got the table where we hang out. And, yep, there's our tents. And, wow. Okay. What is up, you guys? It is day 2 of the camping trip. They are leaving early to just get the whole thing set up down there because we're gonna be hanging out there for like the rest of the whole day. Jesus, a little bit overexposed here. There we go, it's better. But yeah, so we got the Explorer 200s, and I'm debating on taking that iPhone 6 just to use as a video camera while out on the water, since it doesn't really matter. I got my iPhone 8, but I'm not taking that out of the water. Ew! There's a nasty bug, man. What is that? Ew! I don't like that. Anyway, I got my drone in the backpack, boat. It's gonna be a lit day. So let's go to the beach. God. $11.33, 15%. That's good enough. Let's dip out. Jesus, God. I just dropped the boat. All right, I'm running. No, I'm not running. That's too much work. So, going to the beach. It's gonna be super chill. All right, it's a bit bright. I don't know if the sand's overexposed or not, but I'm not, so I guess that's fine. We got the lake behind us. Gonna take the boat out, take the drone out. It'll be super lit. Gonna get some nice shots out here, definitely. Because it's really nice. Yesterday was 4th of July, so everyone was here and it was like, ugh, crowded. But today, not too bad. Pretty good day. All right, so we've been at the beach for like, what, an hour now? Something like that. We've been at the beach for an hour now. I've been in the water the whole time. I just got out. I plan on taking the drone up, but there's a lot more people here now. Should be fine though. I'm gonna use this weird thing I found on the ground as a landing pad for it. That never gets old. we just got back from the beach. We're gonna go back there later. We're gonna be there all day. But I got freaking burnt. Look at my arm. See it? Red. Red. Like, it is bad. Like, I am just as red as this shirt. But anyway, so we're gonna go head to the store now, probably get some like ice cream or something. I need some lip balm. My lips are chapped as crap. But yeah, so that's that. So let's close this tent and head to the store. Alright, we arrived at the store. I'm pretty sure going inside of it is gonna feel much better. No sun shining on my very red arms. And it'll be nice and air conditioned, so that's something to look forward to too. Oh my god, that feels so much better. Rip. What is up, you guys? Me again. Day 4, we are leaving today. And, God, all of us are just freaking worn out at this point. Like, I am just so red. I look like my shirt. It is freaking crazy. But yeah, so we're gonna just pack up and leave. That's not really significant, so I'm gonna just end the video here. Need help doing that?
Just folding stuff.
Alright, so I'll see you all later. Hope you liked the video. See you all later.